another segment for pilots and drones. We are here live at Willow Springs Racetrack for the 60th anniversary of the Southern California Shelby Club. We are droning this bad boy today. We got 5-inch FPV, 3.5, even 2-inch out here. We're gonna be out here getting these fine automobiles. Some of these things are more expensive than the condo that I don't own yet. But we are really excited. Would really like to thank Willow Springs, the Southern California Shelby Club, for having us out here. These cars are beautiful, they're loud. This is what it's all about, racing. That is a part of the ethos of pilots and drones and drone champs and everything like that. So this is what happens when you have your Part 107, when you are allowed to do these projects, these things at this type of event space, because we're all legal. Being 100% legal has its advantages, and this is what we're talking about. We are legally allowed to be here. We clear insurance, we check it. We even have wristbands. If I can get out and see, we even got wristbands. We are allowed to be here. So again, get your Part 107 with Drone Champs, and we will see you on the next race flight.
Yeah, beautiful.
My name is Rick Titus, the son of the original team driver, won the championship in '65, driving for Carroll Shelby in one of these '65 Mustang Shelbys. We've been around the cars a long time. This, of course, is one of the continuation cars. And I've been involved in the development of these. This is a customer car. In fact, this is what I'm now. And I will be taking him out and just getting the car sorted. The car's only got 10 miles on it.
So he's gonna go for a good ride, huh?
We'll go for the good ride in a little while. We're going to go for the slow ride right now.
All right, gentlemen, you have a good time out there.
Thank you, pal.
I am with Drone Champs. My name's Corey, and we will be in the air getting some aerial
In
coverage.
this wind, you're going to fly a drone.
Oh, we got it nailed. All right.
So good luck. I want to see you get your drone fitted.
Okay. Take care, gentlemen.
50-mile-an-hour gusts in this drone here. So what we're saying is we can fly in the wind, with the wind, against the wind. At Drone Champs, we make quality products for you to fly so you can be able to capture a GT350 at Willow Springs Raceway. So come on down to Drone Champs whenever you get the chance. Whether it's windy or not, we'll get you in the air.